Show me that smile again.
Show me that smile.
Don't waste another minute on your crying.
Good morning. So, this is where we sit in the mornings. That's how we wake up. Oh, you happy puppy. You happy puppy. He's a very much a ham in the morning. He's very much the ham dog. This is the bus, and I wanted to show you guys our wonderful shower. It's huge. Giant. Not big at all. And the shower pressure is, we can only take like a 5-minute shower, but we got a shower head coming in this week where we can take more. But you see where that's at? In that closet, that is gonna make one giant shower. Bing. A little bit of a rainy morning today. I'm going on my walk to take a shower today again. Can't wait till the shower head gets here Thursday. So then we'll have a nice longer shower on the bus. Yep. Nice and hard. We're on our way to Nicole's house to go organize some shit. Got some parts in from Amazon. Have to show you guys what we got.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'm
Fat.
Everybody sucks at something.
I'm going down.
Trevor, get out of the fucking hole!
Why? Way. See, that stays on the bottom. Oh, I got that. That's insulation. You're after the big piece of wood. Oh, and we got a chalkboard we can write naughty things on. I can draw a dick, sawhorses, vacuum chamber, and a penis.
Yeah. Hey, when I grow up.
Let's plan our bomb attack. Let's get the wood out of there. We've got chalk and things. We can be children.
I'm a fucking me.
Why are you attacking me?
Yeah.
You attack me. Rape!
You just yanked on it, man. It's just like me now.
Rape! That's great. Just keep throwing dangerous stuff. I didn't mean it.
Dude, I think we have new cameras here.
Rape!
It's garbage.
You're garbage. I didn't mean that. I'm sorry. What'd you say to me, boy? Got an axe. I know how to use it.
He ain't got nothing. Oh, this one's so cute. It feels like garbage.
We're making paths in the mess. It's scary. We don't know what we're gonna find. There could be spiders. There could be things. Who knows?
BJ.
See if I can hit the width button.
Yeah. Got that.
Oh yeah, we're right.
Got the truck put back together. We found out that this metal hose was the problem, so we just put a new rubber hose in there and connected them all together is where they belonged. But the best part is it runs, holds fluids. Dustin's about to start the truck for us because proof, so you guys believe me. I did it. Watch this. Ooh, I did it right. I win. Alright, it's good. So while we were doing this, we put on a new K&N filter and it added 150 horsepower. Look at that. Look at that. 150 horsepower. Thank you for tuning in. This was fun. I hope Dustin had a good time too. I was happy helping you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is our salute that we do at the end of videos. It's like...